Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best smart curing machine on the market, the OFFNOVA Resin Heating Mat and Leveling Table. This 2-in-1 resin tool is designed to take your epoxy resin projects to the next level by combining fast curing and precise leveling into one sleek package. From the moment you unbox it, you'll notice the quality materials. The curing table features a sturdy aluminum alloy base with adjustable feet to help you get the perfect level surface every time. On top, a tempered glass panel provides a durable and smooth workspace for your resin molds. What really sets this apart is the integration of advanced carbon fiber heating elements underneath the glass, delivering consistent and efficient heat distribution that speeds up the curing process without deforming your resin pieces. The OFFNOVA machine offers customizable heating modes with 3 temperature settings ranging from 122 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. You can easily adjust the heat to match the thickness of your resin molds or the ambient temperature, ensuring a flawless cure no matter the conditions. Plus, it includes a smart timer that allows you to set curing times up to 6 hours. The remote control features a countdown indicator with helpful alerts so you'll always know exactly how much curing time remains. Once the process is complete, the machine signals with 3 beeps, giving you peace of mind that your resin is ready. Beyond functionality, this resin curing table is designed to protect your workspace and resin projects. Non-slip pads prevent any unwanted movement during curing, and elevated feet keep heat safely away from your work surface. Included with the table is a reusable silicone mat that helps contain spills and keeps your resin from sticking to the glass surface, making cleanup a breeze. There's also a dust cover that helps retain heat and protect your work from dust and debris, ensuring clean and professional results. Whether you're crafting small jewelry pieces or larger epoxy trays, this device's leveling function guarantees an even surface, which means no more worrying about uneven curing or imperfect finishes. The combination of heating and leveling in one compact, easy-to-use unit is perfect for both hobbyists and professional resin artists who want to achieve consistently excellent results. The table measures roughly 12 by 16 inches with a low-profile design, making it a great fit for any crafting space. It's not foldable, but the adjustable feet make it easy to fine-tune and maintain the perfect level. The industrial look with its blue tempered glass top and aluminum frame also adds a professional touch to your workspace. To sum up, the OFFNOVA Resin Heating Mat and Leveling Table is a smart investment if you're serious about epoxy resin art. Its durable build, precise temperature control, integrated leveling, and handy accessories like the silicone mat and dust cover make resin curing simpler and more reliable than ever. If you want to achieve flawless, professional quality resin projects faster, this machine is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.